Are you giving up on your partner? Are you giving up on your relationship and on your family? I know it can be scary sometimes. You don't know when things are going poorly and you don't know what the other side's thinking. You don't know where things are going. And life sometimes isn't fair. Life doesn't give us a great deal sometimes. And surely you've worked hard to get where you're at and to try to create the kind of life that you want, the kind of family, the relationships. And then all of a sudden it looks like it's all going to collapse around you. Are you opposed to learning some new life tools that could change that situation around for you? Click the link and join us for a 30-minute workshop where you get the life tools that have been missing, that give you the ability to change the direction of your life while you've still got some time. I look forward to seeing you at the workshop.